Can I be real with you today? I know what it feels like to work so hard on a video, stay up late editing, put your heart into it, and then wake up the next morning and see only 15 views, 10 views, or even just 5 views. I know how discouraging and heartbreaking it is to keep refreshing your analytics, hoping for more subscribers, and instead, nothing changes. If that's you, I want you to hear me clearly. You are not wasting your time. You're planting seeds. Every video you upload is just like a seed, which takes time to grow. Your YouTube dream is not dead. It's still alive. Being a small YouTuber is tough. Sometimes you look at the big creators and wonder, why is it working for them and not for me? You think about quitting. You question yourself, am I good enough? Will anyone ever care about my videos? Or is the algorithm against me? Let me tell you the truth. Every single YouTuber who is big today once felt the exact same way. They had nights when their videos got ignored. They had moments where they thought about deleting their channel. But the only reason they're big today is because they refused to give up when it was hard. And I need you to do the same, because somebody out there needs you. Think about it. Right now, there's someone in the world searching for answers, encouragement, or entertainment. Something only you can give. They don't need the biggest YouTuber. They need you, your story, your perspective, your voice. And you may not see it yet, but every upload is planting a seed. Every thumbnail you design, every video you publish, every moment you push through discouragement. It's all building something that will one day grow beyond what you imagined. Don't despise small beginnings. Today you may have 10 views, but tomorrow, those same 10 people could be your first 10 loyal fans who tell 10 more people about you. This is how every great channel begins. So instead of drowning in numbers, I want you to focus on one small step. Improve just one thing in your videos at a time. Maybe it's your storytelling this week, your audio next week, or your titles after that. Little by little, your channel will grow stronger. And remember, YouTube rewards consistency. It doesn't matter if you have 5 subscribers or 500. If you show up, your growth will come. But if you quit, you'll never know how close you were. So please don't give up. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. You're still writing your story, and your breakthrough might be closer than you think. If this video spoke to your heart, please hit that like button. It helps this message reach another small creator who feels like giving up. Subscribe and join this community, because we are in this together. Your channel matters. Your voice matters. And your time is coming. Don't stop now. Stay patient and keep creating. One day, you'll look back and thank yourself for not quitting. See you in the next video.